A bird left her beautiful nest in the world that's so vast. It flew around across the globe and rested here at last. The tree on which she sat had leaves of an oak breed. It sang and whirled around, made me joyous indeed. It came to my window pane, asking me to be a friend. I saw her innocent eyes, felt the love will never end. We gazed at each other's eyes, we gazed for so long. Days went by, as for nights, time just passed along. She shared her wandering life, from the countries to the trees. I told her about my little garden, the flowers, the olives and peas. I made a little nest for her so that she could stay. But suddenly one fine night she just flew away.